So our rally is our most significant date on our calendar culturally in our organisation, and it's for our store management teams, our franchisees, our head office teams, our business partners. It's that one occasion where we all come together. It's always been a dream to bring our rally event to the Gold Coast. The convention centre seemed to be the perfect spot to host the event. For our people, it's a destination that they can come to. It's, got some of the best hotels in the world, some of the best restaurants in the world, the nicest beaches in the world, and everything's within a stone's throw. So when they finish today, they can walk over the road and everything's on their doorstep, and I think that's really the greatest appeal of bringing it to the Gold Coast.
This area in particular is great for this type of event purely because of the Broadbeach precinct. You've got numerous accommodation options, anywhere from an apartment style through to a 5-star hotel.
The delegates were coming from New Zealand and all over Australia, so we're fortunate that the Gold Coast is serviced by 2 airports to make getting to the centre and Broadbeach very easy.
So this is a record attendance for us this year, and I think being at the coast has probably been a part of why that is. We're at about 1,580 people on site right now, which is, just the energy's huge.
For this one, we've tried to create a space that's very inviting for the delegates, but also giving the most exposure in the exhibition. So we're lucky in that we've got the adjoining spaces. So for this particular event, we're going from the exhibition, or what they're calling the vendor show, through into their plenary space, which means that we've got a captured audience during all of our break times.
It's been really seamless. We've been excited that we've been able to take over the space, and for me, the best event's one that you feel immersed in, and having all of that branding, on the doors, on the pillars, on the screens, and it's all working in unison, gives you that really immersive experience. The opening of the conference today showed us that there is no match for the energy you create when you bring people into a space. And it's that energy of connection, but it's also just that energy of, we're human beings, we want to belong, we want to have a tribe, and I think for us these live events are where we can bring the tribe together and really reinforce what it means to be part of the tribe. So there's nothing that replaces that live event experience in my mind. Our partnership with the centre, and I think the key word there and underlined is partnership. We've worked with the whole team here to bring this to life. Just, creative, to be fun, to explore, and to put on something really, really special. So I think partnership has been probably the key reason why we've loved working with the centre.